Might running laps in a locked-in room. Clock keeps laughing, tick, tick, boom. Ghosts in my phone, they text too much. I mute the world, but it still won't shut up. Tongue-tied thoughts, jump lanes. Brain on fire, but I'm ice in the face. Trip on words and I land just fine. Messy lines, but the time is mine. I don't want straight eyes, it can slide. Laugh at danger when it gets too close. This is wrong, I miss the sign. I dance with the doubt like a private joke. Hold up, wait. Feel that pull in my chest. Every step out of place, but I move anyway. Party loud in my ears. World spins fast, I steer. If I fall for it. No fear, no fear. Say my name, it's historic. Psycho pens won't stay pure. I don't need clean edges, I'm good right here. I'm good, yeah. Kick the door, I don't knock polite. Thoughts pile up, I talk all night. Static buzz, but it fuels my feet. Crowded head, but I move concrete. Snap back, jump, cutscene, shift quick, smile too wide. Yeah, something's up. If the rules break, I take that risk, flip the script, and I walk it up. I don't chase trends, I trip through time. Old ghosts laugh, but they know I win. Say I'm strange like it's a crime. I say good, let me in. Slow breath, just a second. Let the noise into one tone. If I'm lost, I'm not stressing. Every wrong turn feels like home. Party loud, don't stop. World spins wild, still up. If I fall for it. Hands up, say my name. Break it, let it bend. Shake it. I don't need clean edges, I'm good right here. I'm good right here. Yeah. Yeah, that's enough.